Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about redox reaction, which is helpful for class 10 students. Okay, and class 11 also. So basically, that was redox reaction, that definition, and what is uh, oxidation reaction, what is reduction reaction, and how to find out oxidation number and reduction number. Only this one I will discuss. Okay, so first of all I will discuss that definition. What is redox reaction? So this redox reaction means the reaction which involve oxidation and reduction are called redox reaction. So the reaction which involved oxidation and reduction are called redox reaction. Okay, so normally it's redox, redox. This red means reduction, this ox means oxidation. Okay, or you can write, this is short form, or you can write like this also, oxidation. Okay, and this is reduction and short form is RAD. Okay, like this, reduction. So first of all I have to know this oxidation reaction, or also called, this one is oxidation reaction, also called de-electronation. This one also called is de-electronation. Okay, de-electronation, that means you can remove electron from any compounds or elements. Okay, this one is called de-electronation or oxidation reaction. Okay, and reduction reaction means electronation. This one is reduction reaction, also called electronation. Okay, electronation, and this one is de-electronation. So definition, define oxidation reaction. So oxidation reaction, see, oxidation reaction means, according to this new concept, that is electronic concept, loss of electron or electrons. Loss of electron or electrons is called oxidation reaction. Okay, loss of electrons. Suppose one example, see sodium. Okay, sodium, one electron loss. Okay, from sodium one electron loss to, then you will get, this one is Na plus. So this one is oxidation. So according to this is electronic concept, the loss of electron is called oxidation, or loss of electrons is called oxidation. Maybe one electron or more than one electrons. Okay, so according to old concept, then according to old concept, okay, old concept. So according to old concept, adding of oxygen, adding of oxygen is called oxidation. That means you can add one oxygen or two oxygen or three oxygen. That means this one is, if you add oxygen, this one is called oxidation. Or removal of hydrogen from a compound, removal of hydrogen from a compound. Okay, so removal of hydrogen is called oxidation, adding of oxygen is called oxidation, and loss of electron is called oxidation. So what about reduction? Reduction means adding of hydrogen according to old concept, then adding of hydrogen. So adding of hydrogen is called reduction. Gain of electron or electrons, gain of electron or electrons is called reduction. See, reduction means gain of electron or electrons is called reduction. This is according to electronic concept, and according to old concept, this one is what? Adding of hydrogen, this one is called reduction. Another one, removal of oxygen from a compounds. Okay, that means you can remove oxygen from a compound, and this one is called what? Reduction. Adding of hydrogen, this one also reduction. Suppose one example, see, Cl plus electron to form Cl minus, so here also this is reduction. Okay, this one is reduction. Or another one, S plus 2 electron, you will get S2 minus sulfide, so this one is reduction. Okay, so redox reaction is, now again have to see, redox reaction is the reaction which involve oxidation and reduction are called redox reaction or redox couple. So redox reaction, there are two types. That means not two types, this is red, means this one is meaning is red ox, meaning is this red. See, red means reduction, ox means oxidation. On this one also another name of oxidation, this is de-electronation, and another name of reduction, this one is electronation. Okay, and definition also, oxidation means loss of electron and reduction means gain of electron, this much. Okay, so next video I will discuss about that some examples. Okay, about this redox reaction. Understood? So please subscribe my channels and likes and shares, and in upcoming videos I will discuss this another part. Okay, thank you.